Docebo is about community. Community makes us stronger, smarter, closer. Together, we are unstoppable. Introducing Docebo Community, a place for you to connect, share, and inspire. Here at Docebo, our customers surprise us every day with the innovative solutions they design to solve complex learning challenges. Now, with Docebo Community, we're giving you direct access to other Docebo experts to ask your burning questions and learn best practices from your peers. So how does Docebo Community work? Well, let's say you have a question about newsletters. To start, head to the Docebo Community search bar and browse through the existing posts. Or you may find your answer in our knowledge base articles from Docebo Help. If you can't find a solution to your specific issue, create a new post yourself. To do so, start by choosing the type of post you want to create. Then simply create a title, add a description, choose a category, and add some tags. Once your post has been created, our moderators will immediately be notified. Your question will also appear in the unanswered questions section, where members of the growing Docebo community will have an opportunity to provide the best answer. The more you interact with the community, the more you'll be rewarded for your engagement. So as you ask more questions, provide more answers, share more content, and spark more conversation, you'll climb the ranks of the Docebo community leaderboard and ultimately create a better learning experience for everyone. Whether you're looking to connect with other Docebo experts, share best practices, get answers, or find the learning inspiration you've been craving, it all happens in Docebo Community. Join the conversation today.